This is such a beautiful gathering and an amazing event you've put together. I enjoyed very much listening to the panelists and to the advances in technology. Isn't that impressive? I mean, in every field, we see, and as he put it so well in the keynote speech, that there is technology-enabled abundance for the future. And I think it is so well said. I would like to talk about FemTech. And FemTech is, first, what does it mean, FemTech? FemTech is a word which was first used in 2016 by an entrepreneur who was in the healthcare. So actually, FemTech stands for using technology for female and women-related health issues. And this field has grown tremendously, and it's including a lot of technology-enabled and consumer-centric products and solutions that are addressing women's health. And this is from the point of view of diagnosis, supplements, telemedicine, everything related to women's health. So FemTech provides a wide range of solutions for healthcare, and it has a number of female-specific conditions which are covered with FemTech using, advanced technologies, advanced machinery, artificial intelligence, and that's related to maternal health, menstrual health, menopause, fertility, contraception, and the list is really big. And what it's seems like it's really such a growing field. The estimation today of this market, it's around $500 million to $1 billion. And the forecast is much bigger because the growth in double digits. So it seems to be attracting tremendous investment and a lot of investors interested in the field. Because when you think about it, I mean, the objective is so honorable and humane that we were just in December 2021. I looked at the numbers in terms of investment, numbers calculated by McKinsey, $2.5 billion are filling the gap for things that have been covered by the biopharma and also by other health-related companies. I was talking about the impressive number of investment that I was going on FemTech, which is around 2.5 billion, according to a study done by McKinsey. And more of that seems to be happening because the growth is in double digits. And we see a lot of the big players and the legacy players now going into the field. For example, L'Oreal is doing, which is a cosmetic leader, is looking into linking the women's health and menstrual and hormonals to the impact on skin so that they will be coming out with products that will be more fit. So the FemTech companies are increasing and gaining a lot of traction because they are covering a lot of needs in terms of improving care delivery, enabling self-care, improving diagnosis, addressing stigmatized areas, and covering some of the culturally sensitive aspects of women's health and women's healthcare. So it becomes now an increasing priority. And this is a field where it seems that we see the challenge of super needed for development and for improving the well-being of women and the healthcare. And being it's an industry where it's related to women, we see a lot of women founder, which is helping moving the percentage. There are 70% of women founder compared to 20% in the new companies in tech industry. I think this is amazing. I love this FemTech thing because if more it grow, and if they really integrate some of the impact and development, they will surely contribute to the Sustainable Development Goals, which are for gender equality and improving health worldwide. My time is up, and that's what I wanted to share today. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much, Dr. Hynd.